You don't need tons of butter to make a You don't need tons of butter. You don't need. I forget. Stop listening to people who can't even cook. You don't need tons of butter to make a 5-star lamb chop at home. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make mouth-watering lamb chops in 10 minutes or less. Stay tuned to the end and I'll give you guys my secret ingredient that I use to spice things up y añadir un poquito de personalidad. All right, just pat them dry. These are already Frenched, so you don't have to take the fat out. Just go in and make sure that you're not getting the bone and just going through. Always make sure that when you're cutting lamb chops that you have a sharp knife. Last thing you want to do is get stuck on the meat. Some people like to slice them beforehand. Some, you can literally put this whole rack of lamb, sear it, put it in the oven, but I just like to cut them in slices so that they can get evenly coated, because I love me some seasoning. And now that we're done cutting them and prepping them, we're gonna season them now. Place the lamb chops in a bowl and season them with the following: red pepper flakes, complete seasoning, sazon adobo, orange pepper, salt and pepper, garlic powder. I like to go in on each and rubbing them down, massaging them. Make sure that you get your seasonings on both sides. You see how this side doesn't have anything compared to this side? Okay. So now that it's evenly coated, we're gonna take our gloves off and we're gonna add olive oil to our pan. Heat a skillet over medium-high. Add a small amount of oil, just enough to coat the bottom. Allow the oil to heat until it shimmers. Place the seasoned lamb chops in the skillet, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until a golden brown crust forms. So now we're gonna see if they're ready. Not yet, we want it a little bit more golden. If your lamb chops are particularly thick, transfer the skillet to a preheated oven at 350 and cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Now they're ready. That nice golden brown. Once cooked, remove the lamb chops from heat and let them rest for about 5 minutes. All right guys, so now for the last step, the secret ingredient. We're going to take my sweet chili sauce and we're going to drizzle it all over. It has that sweet and tangy. I drizzle a sweet chili sauce over the lamb chops just before serving. This adds a delightful sweet and spicy glaze that elevates the dish. Plate your lamb chops, garnish with some fresh herbs if desired. Enjoy your quick and delicious lamb chops. And what's lamb chops without a side?